Now, here's a question I have for you ladies. What will they think of next?
Hi everyone, it's Cassidy, and today I will be discussing, trying, and reviewing 6 vintage beauty and makeup products that you can still get right now on Amazon, at your local drugstore, or at makeup stores like Ulta and Sephora. These products are super affordable, they have stood the test of time, so make sure you stay tuned. Before I get right into the video, I just want to remind you to give this video a like, comment below your favorite product that you saw today, and make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed, and hit the bell notification so you don't miss an upload. So the first product that I'll be talking about is Thayer's Toner. The brand was introduced in 1847 by Dr. Henry Thayer, and according to the brand website, in 1847, Henry Thayer opened a laboratory on Main Street in Cambridge, Massachusetts, to produce his newly developed line of herbal extracts for sale to the medical profession. Here is a description of the toner from the website. This gentle toner is derived from a time-honored formula developed by Thayer's to cleanse, tone, moisturize, and balance the pH level of skin. I personally think that this toner is very refreshing. I haven't used it long enough to see a really noticeable difference, but it smells very good. It smells very fresh, and it hasn't caused any breakouts. It's a very reputable brand, and I think that it's supposed to be good for sensitive skin. So if you haven't tried it, I would recommend giving it a go. The second skincare product that I got was the Queen Helene Mint Julep Face Mask. This brand was introduced in the 1930s. So here is a description of the mask from the website. It is the original all-time favorite green mask. It instantly absorbs excess oil, extracts impurities, and helps minimize the appearance of pores. After use, skin is deeply clean with a fresh, oil-free feel and healthy-looking complexion. I do like this product. It smells very minty and fresh. I would say that it leaves kind of an odd smell behind. It becomes less minty and a little more earthy. It's not bad. It does help reduce the oil on my face. I think if you have oily skin, this is a great one to try. For the lips, I purchased the Smith's Rosebud Salve. I got it in the tube. They also make it in a tin, which is very popular. This brand was introduced in 1895. Here is some history behind the brand from their website. At 30 years old, Smith founded the Rosebud Perfume Company in 1895, starting with a small drugstore. He listened to the wants and needs of his customers who desired an all-purpose salve to treat minor skin irritations. I have only tried it out on the lips. It makes them feel very moisturized and shiny. It smells great and is overall a great go-to lip product. You can also use it on cuts or chapped elbows or knees since it is an all-purpose salve. For foundation, I decided to try a classic foundation, the Max Factor Pan Stick Foundation. This product was introduced in 1947. Here is some history about the product from their website. In 1947, after 26 months of development by Max Factor, the company released Pan Stick, a cream makeup supplied in stick form and designed to take advantage of the latest changes in studio lighting and film stock. This product was quick to apply as well as non-greasy. So this is a thick, full coverage foundation. I do think it's easy to apply. Some cons about it though is that it has a distinct smell. It doesn't really last all day unless you keep setting it with powder, and I don't think it's great for oily skin. It starts to show a lot of shine and it starts to kind of cake up in a lot of areas. Another face product is the Cody Airspun Face Powder. This powder was introduced in 1935. Airspun is a loose face powder that's blended with air to create a lightweight, velvety finish. This finely milled powder hides lines, wrinkles, and blemishes, leaving a flawless finish. This product also has a very distinct smell. It's a little bit sweet and perfumey. It's not bad, but it is there. It definitely reduces shine. It has a lot of powder in it for the price. I got it on Amazon for very cheap, and it comes with a powder puff if you don't have a brush, so it's easy to use and travel with. The final product that I will be discussing is Revlon Cherries in the Snow lipstick. This lipstick was introduced in the 1950s and has been popular ever since. In 1932, brothers Charles and Joseph Revlon began peddling an early form of nail polish. Among the colors in offer was a distinct tint they called Cherries in the Snow. It has a glossy finish, it's kind of a unique pinkish red, and it's known to kind of suit all skin tones. I think it does go on very easily. It's very moisturizing and glossy. It lasts pretty much all day, but it does come off on things. And I don't necessarily think that this color works for all skin tones. I prefer more reddish tones than pink, but it is very unique and pretty, and for the price, you really can't beat the quality of this lipstick. Thank you for watching, everyone. I really hope that you enjoyed this video and found some new products that you might want to try. In the description, I have links to where I purchased all of the products, as well as the sources for all of the information that I used in this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next week.